Hi everybody, I'm Esther from ESSYCOOKS, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make one of the vegan basics, which is a flax egg. So a flax egg is basically just a vegan replacement for an egg. So whether you're allergic to eggs or you're not consuming eggs, this is going to be the perfect thing for all of your baking. All you have to do is mix together some flaxseed, some ground flaxseed, and some water. It could not be easier. One flax egg equals one egg in a recipe. So for example, if a recipe calls for 2 eggs, all you have to do is make 2 flax eggs and use that in the recipe. So I'm going to be using this here today for my double chocolate banana bread, but I'm just going to show you how easy it is to make this. So we just want a little bowl, and I have my ground flaxseed here. So I have the Bob's Mill flaxseed. You can use any ground flaxseed that you like, but whole flax seeds will not work. It does need to be milled or ground. And even on the back of here it says combine 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal and 3 tablespoons of water for each egg needed. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do that. So for my 1 flax egg, all I need here, 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed and 3 tablespoons of water. So 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So I'm just going to combine those 2 ingredients just by mixing them together. I like to mix it pretty thoroughly, but just give it a good little mix. And then this is the only thing that I would mention is that you do want to leave this for 5 minutes. So sometimes I'll just throw it in the fridge for 5 minutes or leave it on the counter for 5 minutes. It's not super important which one you do. I often throw it in the fridge. Leave that for 5 minutes. It starts to thicken up again. And then before I use it, I'm going to give it one more little stir before I add it into my recipe. So you can see it's a bit watery at the start, but the longer we leave it, the more it thickens up. So 5 minutes later, you can see this has thickened right up. Like, that's exactly the perfect consistency we're looking for. We want it to be like this. It's very sticky and binding, and this is going to bind our ingredients together like an egg would in our baking. And of course, flax seeds are full of omegas, so this is the perfect consistency that we want, just kind of similar to that egg-like consistency. Look at that. That is our flax egg. All right, I hope you guys love this video on how to make a flax egg just like this. And if you guys like this video, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below. And I know this was a fast video and it's a lot of information, so if you have any questions about vegan baking or how to substitute or questions about the flax egg, please just let me know in the comments below.